always have the risk that it's very typically known in product development or innovation processes that on the way we lose creative potential. It's natural and this is alright. You might lose some of the creativity that was there at the beginning, but for the facilitators and the coordinators, it's very important to keep that in mind and always have like check-up rooms to see what is left out of the visions or the ideas that we had in the early stages of the process. I would like to insert here brief look at the intellectual capital management because it's one method that could be useful for coming from strategies, vision, strategy, and action, and it's a resource-based approach. So we'll come to this deviation and then later on we come back to intellectual capital management is another part of the behavioral approach. And this is what it has in common with the technology foresight method. I mean, technology foresight is not all the methods. There's disruptive methods, there is a process, a rationale behind it, how you select the method. And this is like a generic model that you can also, where you could include intellectual capital reporting or management as one potential method, for example, but it's not so much vision building, but more for translating the strategies into action. I don't know if you're familiar with the definition of intellectual capital like it is used nowadays. Normally, it has like three components. There's the human capital, the structural capital, and relational capital. I see like eyebrows raised. Are you familiar with that? The intellectual capital management frameworks and methods were originally set up mostly for small and medium-sized enterprises, and then they were extended and used by larger organizations, by people organizations, in fact, profit companies, but also already by networks. Like in Syria, for example, they did the Manonet initiative and intellectual capital analysis. And there was a European project that focused especially on using ideas intellectual capital for regional networks. Human capital is the capital the factors that are linked to the human body and mind, let's say. That is what we do when we walk out of here. For example, something that is inherent in structure, process, methods, and culture. And this might require both from organizations and solutions. Infrastructure. With the typical infrastructure of transport systems, for example, like technological infrastructure, it might be also research infrastructure to be part of the structure. And the relational capital is everything that links the entity we're talking about, the system we're talking about, to the environment. So if you define the system of the organization, then it's the market, the stakeholders, and things like that. If you talk about a city, it's the regional environment, the political environment, the society or other organizations that are focused on non-profit. What has been done is there are several guidelines and models being developed for intellectual capital assessment, creating intellectual capital research. This is only one part that is covered already by your methodological description and several guidelines. But we also have the starting point here I'm not always making it explicit the parallels between technology work and ideas and we probably see them already. We thought about the idea of what is happening now and in the future in the market or the environment, which has many drivers and overwhelming feeling all the requirements, what we need to develop and deliver to the environment, to survive, and to survive successfully, and have a basic strategy, and then analyze our methodologies and practices and the potential of the industry. For the entity of all the steps, with the report on the strategy, resources, potential, and areas of development, and action measures that are executed. It's not measures in the sense of indicators and measurements like numbers, but it's like action plan, action do this thing, we have an evaluation and come back to the refinement of the analysis of environment and effects. So it's a process. I said some words about the initiatives that have been taken. OECD was also very strong in the late 90s in fostering the topic of intellectual capital management, when they set up several conferences. But it was also like individual initiatives at the beginning, and then national frameworks developed Denmark, Spain, the Japanese Ministry of Industry and published guidelines in 2005 in October. In Austria, for example, the universities need to deliver a business plan, and part of the funding had like a 30 project. The result report is something important where you have a good comparison of the different international models. And now our European guidelines are going to have research on the last presentation was in November last year. And Slovenia also participated, 5 small and medium-sized enterprises in Slovenia participated in the project. And this method consists of, it will be hard to read from the back, but this is all on the Inca's website also. It's on a separate slide anyway, and if you're interested in taking a closer look at the method of the Inca's website, and there's also the intellectual capital statement guidelines, which is like a well-written guideline how to conduct lectures. But it needs some pre-arrangement. We also start with a pre-arrangement that is definitely necessary to the project. Analyzing here, you can see the terminology is oriented towards profit optimization. But this doesn't mean that you cannot apply it introduces statistical thinking, training, and also in the public sector. It's hard to understand, like when you have like the first market, for example, instead of environment. If you're not familiar with the topic, terms might be a bit unfamiliar, but it's not analyze the business model, you define the system boundaries, which might be, especially in the public sector, if you talk about regional aspects. Very, very important to define what we are talking about, in which entity, how we want to define as an entity. It could be, for example, is it a city, or is it a large city, is it a regional or an administrative factors that we want to express, or are there any other factors that we need to consider? So here the boundaries are found, and you have take a look at the environment and then you have the analysis of the intellectual capital, and this includes an assessment of quality, quantity, and systematic of relevant intellectual capital factors, and an impact analysis.